Did you know that vlogging can be very difficult without the right gadgets? This episode, I will tell you which gadgets I still need to have a more quality video in my vlogging endeavors. Let's watch the video. Good morning everyone, or good afternoon, whichever country you are now. I have new gadgets. This is good news, right? So one gadget I have is to improve my vlogging. I have here DJI Osmo Mobile 6. So this is for my vlogging because as you have noticed for my vlogs, it's shaking, so my hands is not that stable. So I use this one, DJI Osmo Mobile 6. So we will unbox it together. Then the next I have a laptop bag. So this one I can store all my documents whenever I travel. The other one is I have a new MacBook Air. I have MacBook Air new. I bought it from Apple Store, so it's very nice. And I have a new iPad. This iPad is also for the purpose of vlogging. This iPad will be for YouTube Shorts because beginning the 1st of February, YouTube's Shorts will be a good source of income also. So I'll be using this iPad. So it's not actually luxury, but I will be using it for my vlog so I can earn more. And the MacBook Air, my MacBook Air is for the web page design, so I'll be using this one for the admin purposes. So see, I have one MacBook Air, it's for a laptop, one iPad that is for the YouTube Shorts, and of course a laptop bag. So where do I put this? So whenever I go, so it's handy. So it's the laptop bag, and it's a case logic, so it's not case on logic, but it's case logic, so it's logical to buy the bag. And the other one, and the last one is Osmo Mobile 6, my gimbal. Yeah, so let's go ahead, let's unbox the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. So we'll see the others. I've already removed the laptop. I've already removed the plastic cover. So this one is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. So this DJI Osmo Mobile 6 here, I will unbox it. Oh, where is it now? It's done. It's gone with the wind. Oh, no, it's not. So here, see, I will open it and see, unfold the creativity. So yeah, they say that you should be creative in buying this. So this one, see, these are the accessories. See, unfold the creativity. So here, what are the accessories inside? So these are the accessories. See, they have the accessories are the manual. See, DJI Osmo Mobile 6. And this one, there is cable connector. Well, as usual, because it's a gimbal. So we have already opened the accessories. And this one, see, it's amazing. See what's inside. This is the base of the gimbal here. Yes, here. See, DJI, because the brand of the the one that I have, the gadget that I have, the drone is also DJI, so I make it a point that they are compatible with each other. So here, see the base point of the gimbal. And the next one is here. What is this? Of course, the others are accessories. This one, this is for the horizontal or vertical of your mobile phone. See this one, this. Which gadgets I have? I should be very happy with this because this one helps my vlogging very more efficient and it improves the quality. So this one, see, I've removed. This is it. Yes. Look at this, look at this. It is so handy. See? Yeah. See? It doesn't shake now. So no matter what I do, I can truly have a good vlog. So there's no more excuse. Yes, it's magnet. See, it's magnetized, this one. See? Yeah. So I can move it like vertical or horizontal. I mean, if I need a landscape video or a portrait video, then it will be very good. So I just don't know why it's like this. It doesn't match that really. So anyway, so I'll use my mobile phone as an example. Where is my mobile phone? Okay, I'll use my mobile phone like this one as an example. Then we will see if it connects. See here, I'll do this. Yes. Oh, yeah. It is so nice. Oh no, you see? It's moving ahead. See, it's really flexible. I'm really impressed. See, I just don't know why in the world this one doesn't fit. Yes, this one. So at the moment that, yeah, you can do it vertical or horizontal, it's flexible. And then the base is here. See, you have to connect this. I'll show this to you. Yeah. This one, it doesn't show this much. Yeah. Yes. See, I have now a vlogging tool. This is the gimbal called mobile DJI, is still brand DJI Osmo Mobile 6. See, it's very good now. Now I can vlog now with more quality and the shape of the video. It's either landscape or portrait. It will be flexible because in shorts, YouTube shorts, you can only use portrait, while in real vlogging you can also, it's better to use the landscape. So this tool can be very helpful to me. Yeah, thank you. And look, I'm done already with the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Now I'll be going with the iPad for the YouTube shorts. Right? The iPad, I already opened it because I was so excited a while ago, but we have to review it. So see, I have an iPad. This one, the accessories, of course. And look, this one, cake, designed by Apple, California. See? So these are the manual. Actually, I don't read the manual, so it doesn't really matter. So this one, I'll put it here, and then here. See, I have the iPad now, a new iPad. Yes, so here, this is my iPad, a new iPad, and yeah, designed by Apple. See, this is for vlogging again. See, I have now new tools that will make my video of high quality. I hope so. So this one, see? So what type of iPad is that? That iPad is the 9th generation, iPad 9th generation. I don't know what's the difference, but 64GB 9th generation iPad with cable USB-C. Okay, then this is good. This is good now. I'm done with the iPad now in the MacBook Air. So the MacBook Air is this. I also, because I was so excited also a while ago, so I opened it. Yeah. So this one I haven't shown to you the box. So this is a MacBook Air I have. It's a new one. So this one, also for vlogging, for admin reasons, because it's nice if the brand is Apple, because I don't know if they can hack it. I don't know. So this one is the accessories. Of course, the manual, it's always here, and of course this one, all these specifications, the specifications of, see, this one. And now for my MacBook Air. Yeah, it's here because it's difficult. I didn't want to stretch the video because this, haha. See, I have it now. MacBook Air. What is the specs? What's the specs is in the cartoon? The specs is here. See, 8 GB central Geheugen or my memory. So it's Dutch. So SSD of 256 GB. So it's a 13-inch MacBook Air. So these are my gadgets to be used ultimately in vlogging purposes. All about vlogging. So this one, see? So I love it. So it's here. The brand is Apple. So see, I have a very good vlogging tools now. So I don't have any excuse to have low quality of videos. But sometimes it just needs patience. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next videos. These two gadgets are drones that I have been contemplating if I would be able to buy it. These are new generation of drones, and this is Evo Lite and Evo like a professional version, Nano and the Lite. But the quality of the video is, I'm so impressed because it's 6K instead of 4K. So I'm very excited on this type of gadgets, but as of the moment, I'm very content with what I have, because I have DJI Air 2S, which has also a good quality.